Welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to design a medical service website. You can use this particular website for medical herbs, medical marijuana websites, and any other medical related website. So if this is your first time visiting this channel, I want you to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell notification so that when I drop a new video like this, you get notified. So I want to refresh this page so that I will show you exactly what we are going to design by the end of this video. So by the end of this video, we are going to create exactly this particular website. And you are going to create it without writing any single line of code. Just drag and drop. The only thing I want you to do is get your company or business images ready and get your business text and the informations ready, because I'll show you how you can replace everything on this particular website. Every images, all these images, you are going to replace it with your own business images, your own herbs, your own marijuana businesses, so your own medical images. So everything here, I'm going to show you how you can change all of them. I'll also show you how to change the colors of this particular website, the background colors and the button colors, the typographies, and other colors, just like this particular icon colors. I'm going to show you how you can change everything in this particular video. So this is exactly what we are going to see by the end of this video. So without wasting time, let's get started. So don't forget to like and share this video. Then, so the first thing you need is you need a WordPress content management system. So if you don't know how to get this particular WordPress installed, check the link in the description. I'll put a link to a video that will show you how to install WordPress. So once you have gotten your domain and hosting and installed WordPress and you have this particular dashboard, then it's time for us to start the design. So once you log on this particular dashboard, by default, this is going to be your website. This is how our website looks by default. Or some people have, you may be doing installation and selected another theme, so you're going to have another theme by default. So now the next thing we are going to do is I want to change the theme. So because the theme I want to use that will be compatible with that template. So you come to appearance, you come to themes. This is the first thing you have to do. Then you click on add theme. Then the theme we are going to use, this theme is very popular. This particular theme, Hello Elementor, this is the theme we are going to use. So you install it. If you didn't find it here, just come to search and type Hello Elementor and it will pop it up. Then you do what? You activate. Now once we activate, let's refresh our website. So you can see there's changes, meaning that we changed the theme of that website. So now the next thing we are going to do is we have to create pages. So pages is what we are going to work on. So now we have sample page. So by default, so I will trash this sample page. This privacy policy, you just write a privacy policy and do what? Publish it. So now click on add page. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit the home page. But you know, website have different pages. You have your service page, you have your about us page, contact us page. So you are going to follow this particular procedure to edit and edit and import all the pages other than the home page. So this video will show how to edit the home page, then use the process and edit other pages. So now let's say this is our home page. Write home. You do what? You publish. And once you are done publishing, then you come back here, you create other pages. Make sure you create other pages, but in this video I don't want this video to be too long, so I will only work on home page. Now once we are done, then I will now scroll down to settings, come to reading, click on reading. Then by default your home page is your latest post, so we are going to change it to a static page, and that page is going to, our home page is going to be the home we created. So once you create your blog page, you select blog post to be that page, then you click on save changes. So once we save this particular page, now let's refresh. You can see now we have home. I will remove this thing, but I'll show how to remove it. Now the next thing we need to do is we are going to install plugins that is going to help us to achieve this particular result. So now what am I going to do? Click on install plugin. So plugins are what help you to create many functionality in WordPress, just like JavaScript help you to have functionality on a HTML website or PHP website. So here now you click on add plugin. So click on add plugin, then you come to this particular place. We are going to search for Elementor. So we search for Elementor. So we install Elementor. So now after which we search for another, then we only need two plugin. That those two plugins will help us install the next plugin. So we now search for template kit import. So you search for template kit import. See this particular plugin, this template kit import. So I want it to load. I want to show you the logo so you won't make mistake. But always check by Evanto. This particular template by Evanto is not showing the logo here, but yes, you can see now. You install it. Now after installing it, you come back to installed plugin. So once you come back to install plugin, then you click on, you mark all of them and do what? And click on bulk action and click on activate, then you click on apply. It will activate both of them. So you can see it activated both of them. Then the next thing you are going to do is, since we have activated this particular template, then you come to this particular tools. You are going to see template kit. Click on it. So once you click on it, it's time to install our template. So this particular template is the template I worked on in my previous video. So let me delete it. So once I delete it, now it's time to install the template that we want to use to work on this particular video. So you can click here to install it or click here to install it. So I'll show you how to get the template. So let's install it first, and I'll show you how to get the template. So now, then see the template over here. Now I click on upload. So it is processing. You can see it is processing. So it's processing. It doesn't waste time. So now we are done installing it. You can see everything is being installed successfully. You can see very perfect and professional. You can see it. All the pages, like I said, I'm working on this home page. Then you can create your doctor's page if you want it, and use the same way I used to working on this particular home page, and do the same thing on this particular page. Do the same thing in your about us page. So you are going to have different pages. So let me just give you instance. I created home page. So you are going to create a page called doctors, create a page called about, create a page called services, create a page called FAQ, then create a page called product, create a page called blog. Then these are the pages we are going to create. So once you create it, the same thing I did on this home page is what you are going to do on the other pages. That is how your website will look more professional. So now once we are done installing, the next thing you are going to do is import the global style key. That is the first thing to do. So if you don't import the global style, you are not going to be able to work on it. So once you are done importing the global style, you are going to see here now, attention, there are 4 requirements needed installing this particular template to work correctly. So the next thing you are going to do is click on install requirement. Click on install selected requirement. So this is the first thing you are going to do, so that it will help you install other particular necessary plugin that will help you work on this particular website. So the template is done. So now you can see this particular, there is no more notification. So we are done installing. So now for you to get this particular template, if you are watching this video so that you follow along this tutorial, you need to go and get this template. So for you to go and get this template, I put the link to this page in the description. So click the link in the description, you land on this page. I'll put the link in the description. So now if you used to purchase things online with your Apple Pay or Google Pay, just click here. Once you click here and your payment is successful, a page that you will download this template will appear. Then you download it, and it will also be sent to your email. So you have it in your email to download it anytime you want. But if you don't have it and you want to pay with your credit card or debit card, you click on add to cart. So once you click on this add to cart, then you are going to pay with your credit card or debit card. So once you click on add to cart, the next thing you're going to do is click on proceed to checkout. So once you click on proceed to checkout, this particular page now is where you are going to enter your information so that you pay and do what, get this particular template sent to your email for you to download anytime you want. So you enter your first name, enter your last name, select your country, enter your email address, enter your card details here. So this particular payment is secured by Stripe, the most trusted payment gateway in the whole world right now. So once you are done, you click on buy now. Once your payment is processed successfully, you are going to be sent an email containing this particular file. So you can download it in your email, and the dashboard where you will download it will also appear. You will download it immediately. So you can download it immediately. So once you are done, then you come back to this particular dashboard. Then you click on upload template. So, or let's come back to the home page. Either you click on it, you are going to see this, or you click here. So either you click here or you click here, then you import it. You are going to see just the same way it is. So once you are done, then the next thing you are going to do is we start working. So I want us to work on the header and footer first. So for us to start working on the header, you just click on this particular, you see this particular one called element kit. So this is what we are going to use to create the header and footer of this particular website. So let me create the header and footer so you know what I mean by header and footer. So once you come here, you're going to see header footer. Click on it. So that's what once you click on it, so this is the header footer I created for my previous website. So I'm going to trash it. So I'm going to trash it. So now the next thing, I'm going to create a fresh header and footer. So now, assuming I didn't trash it, that particular header will appear here. So now click on add new template. You write it header. You can write it any name. The most important thing is that this particular type, it must be header. There are two options, header, footer. It must be header. So once you select it, you click on activate here, save changes. So once you save changes, you come here, you click on edit. You click on edit content. You can edit it right away before saving it. Once you publish it, it will go live. So now it is loading. So once it's loaded, we now work on the header of this particular website. So as you can see everything is working perfectly right now. So by default, your background is already green. So let's click, once you land on this page, click here. Click on that icon, then click on view installed kit. Once you click on view installed kit, scroll down, you see header, you click on insert header. So you click on insert header, then it will install the header for us. So you can see now the header have been installed successfully. So this particular place is where your menu will be. So once you create your menu, you come back here and select the menu. So your menu will come up here. That is why it is blank. Then this particular place, just click here, you change your logo. So you change your logo. Then this particular contact us, you click on it, you put the link to your contact page here. Then you can change the color of this contact us, come to style. You can see the yellow here now, change it to any color you want. See it changed. The text color, you're already seeing something like text color here. It's black, so you change it. You can see anything you select now, you change. So that's how you can do it. So now once you are done, click on publish. Let's refresh our home page and see it. So you can see everything is here. You can see. So apart from this menu, once you create your menu is supposed to be here. So let me quickly show you how to create a menu so that you know what I'm trying to say. So let's go back. So now for you to create a menu, come over to appearance here, you see menus here, click on menus. So I'll create menu just here now. Do what? Write name. Let's say main. Can write it any name. Header. Create display location is header. Just click on create menu. So it's main now. So now add this particular page to that menu. Add to menu. It will come up here. So if you have more pages, you add it. And click on save menu. So the menu will be saved. So now let's go back to that header elements kit header footer. So let's go back, edit again, edit. I want to show you. Let's refresh. So because it's not appearing, so I will show you how you can go and add it. That is why I refresh the page, so that I'll show you. In some cases, once you create that menu, it will automatically start appearing here. But if it didn't appear here, then you need to work on it. So now still loading. So I'll show you. So once the page load, then you come to this place, you click on it. See this place, the row select menu. Click it. Main menu. That is main. You see that home page is here. So if you had other pages, all of them will appear here. Let's publish it. So that's what I'm trying to. I wanted to tell you. So let's refresh. So you can see the menu is here. So menu is here. So now the next thing we are going to do is let's create the footer. So let's go and create the footer of this particular website. So let's go back. So now the next thing we are going to do is add template footer. You can write it any name just for you to use and remember it, but the most important thing is here. Or select footer. If you didn't select footer, it won't work. Like I said, you can just activate it and edit content directly here, or you save changes and come back and edit it later. Both of them are still the same thing, but I usually prefer saving it and coming back to edit it. So in your own case, you can do this on either way. So you can do either way. So once the page load, then the same way, click here and you click on view installed kit. Then we are looking for footer. See it here. Insert footer. So insert footer. So by default, the whole website background is green. So but you can work around it. So take for instance now, if you want to change the whole background, maybe your website, your own color is not green, your business branding is not green, and you want to work around all these things. So you have to do what? Come here now, click on this particular place. Let's edit here. Come to style. You see this background color. So let's find something. You see, I'm changing the background color now. Change it to black. So you now start changing. Now this is your logo. So you add your logo just like the header. Then this click here. You can edit here. If you want to edit this particular place, if you click on this home, click on it. You see where they wrote home. You can change it to anything or clear it. So now that's how to. Then if you want to change the coloring of it, you come here now, you see text, you see the color green here, you change it. So once you change it, the whole text color will change to the color. So it change to black. Let me just make it something white. So you see, so you now change it to your own brand. And this, so now once you publish it, in as much as the background default color is green, your own website be the color you choose. So that is why you need to work on all the pages. Once you work on all the pages together, you'll be able to handle the color of the background color of the website. Because if I'm trying to tell you how to, for you to change the main background color, you are going to work with codes. So, and that is not the purpose of this video. So we are going to work on codes to change the main background color. So, and that is not the purpose of this video. So you can work around it. So now let's refresh. You can see now, you can see I choose the background color of this footer and it works. So I changed it to black and it works. That's how it works. So now you can see this particular home written here. So I'll show you how to remove it. So now we are done with the footer. So you already know how to edit your footer. So if I start editing everything there word by word, then this video will be too long. So now if you want a request, maybe you can encounter error, tell me the error and request for a video in the comment section. I'll make that video specifically for you. So how now let's import our home page. So for us to import our home page, just click on all pages. Click on all pages. So once we click on all pages, then the next thing to do is you click on edit. You know, this home is written front page. Now I want us to remove that home. So once you create this home page and install Elementor, you are going to come to this place, the root template. You see this default template, you have to select Elementor full width or Elementor canvas, any of these two. So I usually use full width. Once you select it, everything on this website will work. This particular page will work with Elementor. So that is why you have to change it. So let's refresh the page and you see that this home will disappear. So you can see it disappeared already. So that's how to change it. Then let's work on the home page and let's see how our website will look like. So edit with Elementor, then Elementor page is loading. So now we have landed on our home page. So it's time to work on our home page. So you click on here as usual, come to view installed kit, then you select home. So if you are working on service page, you insert this service page and work on it. So I know that I'm talking to developers, so you know what I mean. So we are installing this home page. So let's install this home page and start working on it. I'll show you once this home page installs successfully. I'm going to show you how you can edit those images, add your own image. So right now you're supposed to prepare your own company image, your business image. You're supposed to have it ready, or your client, if you are designing for somebody, their images should be ready with you, and the write-up that you are going to use for the website should be ready with you, because this is how we are going to just go there and add it. It won't take time, and this particular website will be done. Just as you're watching this video, just less than an hour we are done with this particular website. Less than an hour. So that is how it works. So this is the fastest way to design a website. So we are waiting for the home page to load. So once it is done, then we proceed with the editing. So now, as you can see, everything is done. So it's loading perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. So you can see everything perfectly fine. All the structures. So this is, you can see we are in our, where are we in the designing page? You can see, so that website I showed you is here now. So you can see now, you can see everything is perfectly here. Now this blog session, now you control this particular page in the blog section of this particular website. So in the blog section, I'll show you the blog section. Once you publish any post, automatically the posts come out here. So that is how this particular place works. So now if you want to change this button, just click on it. You see, add link to the page. If it's your insight page you created or about us page, add the link here, then you save it. If you want to change the structures, the color, come to style, and in this case you see this one, you don't see, you can see it now. See it, just change it to any color you want. Let's change it to any color, and that is it. So now change this image to your own image, just click on this image, click on it here. So that is the box. Come to style, see the image here, change it. So you can change this heal naturally with this. So you can say heal naturally with herbs. I say herbs. Maybe you are dealing with herbs, or you see. So this particular one, you want to give a brief explanation of what you are doing. So you just come here, you change it, add the link to your contact page, because the aim of this home page is to get people to contact you. So you add it there. So you change here. You can change any page you don't want. Take for instance anyone you don't want here, just click here and do what? Delete the container, delete it. So anyone you don't want, you delete. 6 in number, you can delete 3 if you don't want 3. So, or this is a 6 container, think. Okay, it's not, it's a flexible box, not a grid box. Assuming it's a flexible box, I wanted to show you something, So okay, forget about the word I use, flexible box. Those ones are what you will learn more when you subscribe to this channel, because I also make a video on how you can start from scratch and design some of this particular website. So now this score here, now you can change this score. You see where they rate 150 here, you can make it 200. You can make it 200, and once you start loading, it will reach to 200. See it the same way here. So the counter is here. So change just any box you click on, you change the text. Anyone you don't want, just right click, left click, sorry, left or right click, right? Okay, just right click and delete it. I think it's right click, not left. Sorry, I don't know my right and I don't know my left. Sorry for that. So now click here to change this image. Just come to style. That is where this image is. Before you put this image, I want you to download this particular one. Use the dimension to create an image and use it for this place. Because if you use any random image, it will disorganize design. So use this particular dimensional image for you to achieve this particular design. So that is how design works. Design works with dimension and sizes. Once you miss the dimension and sizes, you are not going to get a professional design. So here now you change this color, you change this color. Now if you want to, maybe you want to change the entire homepage color, because I know most of you will ask me that question. So if you want to change this particular header image, just click here, now come to style. This is a slideshow. Just come to this slideshow, delete all of them and add your own slides here, and it will be sliding here. That's the slideshow. It will be sliding over here. So that's how to change it. If you want to, and change this text, change the color of this if you want. So now you want to change the background color. So now click here now this particular, then you click on style. So you click on style. Sorry, nope. Let me come to advanced. I think it will be in the advanced section. Okay, now. Okay, style. Background type classic. Click here now. Then you see. So now this is the background. Then click on this particular one. Do the same thing, style. Click on background type classic. Do the same thing. So this is how you change the background color of the rest. Just click on any of them and change the background color. Maybe you want dynamic color, you want this one to, just once you hover over any of these, you're going to see the box, the container box. So if you didn't see the container box, right click. So it will say, it will tell you to edit. I think this one doesn't have the container box here. Must have it. Let me check. So edit while you choose that. Let me just click on it. Yes, that's it. So that's the container. click on it, see it. So that's how you can change every color, background color. So you want your website to have different color based on your own website businesses. That's how you can change it. So once you are done, you click on publish. So once, sorry, we have the internet network. So let me pause the video. So I just fix my network right now. So now click on publish. Once we are done. So the reason why I changed all this background is to show you that you can change anything you want on this particular template. That's why I changed the background. So now let's refresh our website, and you're going to see that everything appeared the way we did it. Now you can see that the background changed. So you can change it. I'm just trying to say that I can change this particular website background. This is the website you can see now our website. So that template, the website we started with is what we ended with. See it. So now if you want to create a blog post that will appear here, like I told you earlier, that here now is your blog post. So I will show you how to create that. So you just go back and so once you come back to your dashboard, and the next thing you see this place they wrote posts. Let's see the posts that are there. So this is the first post, hello world. So let me just edit it and I'll show you something. So this particular post doesn't have featured image, so I'll go there and add a featured image for this particular post. Then I'll show you. So this is the featured image I want to use for this post. Then I'll now save it. Then now let's come back to our website and refresh. So you can see, are you seeing the blog post now, the changes? So once I create another post, it will appear here, another one and another one. That is how this particular page is structured. So if you have watched this video to the end, I want to thank you for watching this video, and I want you to share this video and subscribe to this channel. Let me know if you got this particular template and you are using it. If you encounter any error, drop it in the comment section. I will respond to you. I respond to every comment, so you drop it in the comment section and I will respond to you. If it's a technical something, I will make video for you specifically to correct it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.